Hey everybody, figured I'd do an intro into the eggplane group build. I have a few of them and I haven't seen anybody do this one. I'm sure somebody is doing it, but I haven't seen it yet. So mine is going to be the A6 Intruder. I built this model kit, not the eggplane, but the actual 1/48 scale when I was a kid. And I still remember building it, so this was one of the egg planes that I had to make sure I had. This one don't have a figure inside or outside, and they show kind of a weird painting on this, where they show kind of like a pink on the nose. I've seen a lot of tan, but I haven't seen any pink, so I don't know if that's just a weird glitch in the picture or the person who actually built that one painted it pink and just came out by accident. But I took it out of the plastic, but haven't started it. And there is the glass and the egg-shaped body, of course, and the wings and the decals. A lot of decals for such a little plane. But next update, this one will probably be almost done. I'll try to make sure I get another update before it's completed. And but I wanted to make sure you guys knew I was in the build, and this is what I was planning on building. Alright, thanks. See you next time. Bye.